arte que yo creo que es una manera, una vía, la mejor vía para poder expresar la unidad de un país o de un pueblo, como en este caso la humanidad.
That reminds me of the song like John Lennon and the Beatles sing, Imagine, all in one.
Faces can be disguised, makeup, plastic surgery, whatever, but your hands can't be. And when I see this, I see the two sides, two hands coming together, and I find it quite evocative and emotional. It seems like a sort of image of unity.
From far, it is actually pointing to the Trafalgar Square. You can see the tower is pointing, so it's like it's pointing a place.
Una u otra dirección es lo que me sugiere esta figura en particular, ¿no?
It's two fingers pointing each other.
Yeah.
I think it's like two people trying to say something to each other. I don't know.
They want to speak something each other.
이게 무슨 뜻이냐?
E.T.
E.T.
To me, it reminded me of Michelangelo's the Vatican, with the fingers touching of God.
Every person that try to fix this problem, that fingers doesn't touch, so they try to make them touch.
When you look at it, when you go in between, you can bring them together.
You are actually pointing to each other. You are not seeing into your retrospective way that what happened actually. You're actually looking at each other's mistakes maybe. That's what I feel.
You understand? These three fingers up, I'm saying you're bad. You are a liar, but I'm 3 times as much as liar. I love you or I hate you.
Two fingers kind of like two sides coming together, being equal, whether it's different races, different sexes, different things like that.
I think the world now requires something that will show equality and then understanding globally.
You're from the east, you're from the west. We can touch and be friends, yeah?
Connection for peace for whole world. Finger to finger, tied together, forever for peace.